Okay, good morning friends. In the last video we are discussing about the synopsis on the matrices. Okay, today we will solve the MCQ on the matrices. Here first question is that if A is equal to 1 by pi sin inverse of pi x tan inverse x by pi sin inverse x by pi cot inverse pi x, it is a matrix A. The matrix B is equal to 1 by pi of minus cos inverse pi x tan inverse x by pi sin inverse x by pi minus tan inverse pi x. This is matrix B. What is the value of A minus B? They are asking. Okay, what is the A minus B? A minus B is equal to, here in the both the side 1 by pi is common. In the both the matrix I will take a common here 1 by pi. Here sin inverse pi x minus of minus, that is a plus sin inverse pi x plus cos inverse pi x. Next, tan inverse x by pi minus tan inverse x by pi, that is get cancelled, is equal to 0. Sin inverse x by pi minus sin inverse x by pi, that is also get cancelled, is equal to 0. Then cot inverse pi x minus of minus that tan inverse pi x, that is an cot inverse pi x plus tan inverse pi x, it is equal to 1 by pi. This sin inverse x plus cos inverse x value is pi by 2, 0, 0. This is also same, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, that is the formula pi by 2. Now I will take a pi by 2 common, pi by 2 common here, pi by 2, what is left? 1, 0, 0, 1. Here pi get cancelled, what is left? 1 by 2 I. That is the identity matrix. 1 by 2 I. Which option is right? Third one. Let me move on to the next one. Okay, next question is that if A is an 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, then the value of A to the power of n is, which option is satisfying the A to the power of n value? Now, before going to do that, I will generalize. I will find first A square. A square is equal to nothing but an A into A. It is nothing but an 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. That is an 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. It is nothing but an 3 3 is a 9 minus 4, 3 minus 12, 3 4 is a 4 minus into minus plus 4, then 1 3 is a 3 minus 1, 1 4 is a minus 4 minus into minus plus 1, then 5, that is nothing but an minus 8, 3 minus 1, 2, that is a minus 3. Here I will fill in this n to the power of 2 option, in the 3 option also, n to the power of 2, which option will be satisfy this result? Let me check it. When 3 2s are 6, here 5 is there. Then 2 plus 2, 4 is there, here 5. Then 3 to the power of 2, that is a 3 3 is a 9 is there, here 5 is there. Then none of these 3 are not satisfying the A square when n is equal to 2. Therefore, which option is right? None of these is an option. Let me move on to the next one. Okay, next one is if omega be the complex cube root of unity and matrix H is equal to omega 0 0 omega, then H to the power of 70 is equal to what they are asking. Now omega is a complex cube root of unity, means omega cube is 1. That you should remember. Okay. Now I will find an what is an h to the power of 3. First I will find an h square is equal to h into h. Omega 0 0 omega into omega 0 0 omega. Okay, now if you multiply, what you will get? Omega into omega, omega square, then 0 into 0, then same, it will get 0 0. If it is a diagonal matrix, then you will raise the power only. If you multiply, how many times if you multiply, raise the power, if it is a diagonal matrix only. Now again x cube is equal to what? According to that, what we can say? Omega cube 0 0 omega cube. Now what we will do? H to the power of 3 is equal to what we need? H to the power of 70 value. Now can you multiply to the power of 23? If you 24 multiply means 3 7 12, it become 72. That's why 23. Now it is an okay. Here h cube is equal to, your omega cube means, what is the omega cube? That is the complex number cube root of unity. That's why 1 0 0 1. That is the identity matrix. Then h cube to the power of 23 I will raise. That is an I to the power of 23. Now what you will get? H to the power of 3 3 is a 9, 69 you will get it. That is a I to the power of 23 is an I only. Now I need a h to the power of 70 here. That's why h to the power of 69 into h. That is an I into h. Now it implies h to the power of 70 is equal to I into h. That is an h. The h to the power of 70 value is an h. Which option is an third one? Next one. If A is a skew symmetric matrix and n is an positive integer, even positive integer, then A to the power of n is. In the last video, in the synopsis, I told you, if A is an what? Skew symmetric, then A dash is equal to minus A. We know that. If A to the power of n is an symmetric matrix, if it is a n is an even positive integer, it is a symmetric matrix. Then A to the power of n is an, it is an skew symmetric matrix. It is a to the power of n is a symmetric matrix when n is an even positive integer. Then A to the power of n is a skew symmetric matrix when it is an odd positive integer. In the last video we are discussing about that one important topics. That's what. Now if they given that it is a even positive integer, therefore what we can say? A to the power of n is a symmetric matrix. When if A is a skew symmetric matrix, there is a two condition is there. What is that condition? If A to the power of n is an symmetric matrix when it is an even positive integer, A to the power of n is an skew symmetric when it is an n is an odd positive integer. Now they given that n is an even positive integer, therefore that is an A to the power of n is an symmetric matrix. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Next one is an, if A is greater than 1 comma B is greater than 1 and A matrix A is an 2 0 0 B, it is a diagonal matrix, then limit n tends to infinity A power n whole power minus 1. What is an A to the power of n inverse when limit n tends to infinity? Now we know that this is a diagonal matrix. If A is diagonal matrix, A is a diagonal matrix, A is a diagonal matrix. What is the A to the power of n? A to the power of n is equal to A power n 0 0 B to the power of n. Same, a to the power of n also greater than 0, b to the power of n also greater than 0. Now we know that is a AEN is an invertible. It is a diagonal matrix. AN is an invertible. Inverses exist. Therefore, a to the power of n whole inverse is equal to a power n whole inverse 0 0 b to the power of n whole inverse. Because this is a diagonal matrix, that's why invertible exists. What is an inverse means? A to the power of n whole inverse is equal to, that is a n whole inverse 0 0 b to the power of n whole inverse. Now what they are asking, limit n tends to infinity, that is a limit n tends to infinity a n power minus 1 is equal to limit n tends to infinity. This what we can write? Can I write 1 by a to the power of n? This one, a power n whole power minus 1. I can write 1 by a to the power of n, 0 0 1 by b to the power of n. Now I will apply the limit. 1 by a to the power of infinity, that is nothing but infinity. 1 by infinity value is 0 0 0. Same, 1 by infinity value is 0. It is which matrix? It is a 0 matrix. Value is 0. Then which option is right? That is the second one. Okay. This is an few MCQ on the matrices. Few more we will discuss in the next class. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye.